In this video, we'll cover the essential steps and best practices for installing an Athena Soul Acrylic shower tray. Before installing any Athena product, ensure you have the printed installation manual on hand. Before installation, ensure that the walls are plumb, the bottom plate square, and the floor is level. Check that there are solid fixings for the door set and horizontal battens on the bottom plates to support the jib. Place the shower tray against the jib and scribe a pencil line 5 mm above the tray. The pencil line marking the front face of the tray will need to be moved back by 10 mm, as the tray will be rebaited into the jib in its final position. Cut out the jib. If preferred, you can fit the jib after the tray is installed. Place the tray back into the recess and ensure that the waste outlet will align with the waste body already installed into the floor. Check that the tray's upstand front face does not protrude further than the jib surface. If it does, you will need to rebate the tray into the bottom plate. Before placing the tray into its final position, sweep the immediate area to ensure it's free from dust or debris. Remove the clear protective film from the rear of the tray, the upstand and waste area, leaving the film intact on the remainder of the tray to protect the surface until installation is complete. Apply a bead of silicone sealant to the face of the bottom plates to prevent any possibility of squeaking. Using the supplied shower bond adhesive, apply a generous bead to each of the support rings on the underside of the tray. Place the tray into its final position, being careful not to place any weight on it that could dislodge the adhesive from under the support rings. Do not stand on the tray until the shower bond has cured, which can take a minimum of 24 hours. A qualified plumber can now fit the Easy Clean waste as per the instructions provided. The Athena Soul Acrylic shower tray is now installed and ready for walls and a door set to be fitted. Key points to remember. For detailed instructions, always refer to the installation manual supplied with the Athena product. Failing to follow the printed installation instructions may void the warranty.